Why did Enclosure Acts push farmers to industrial cities? Imagine a time when open fields and shared lands were the heartbeat of rural life. Now picture those lands suddenly fenced off and owned by a few wealthy landlords. That's what the Enclosure Acts did in England. These laws turned common lands, where peasants and small farmers shared grazing and farming rights, into private property. The goal was to make farming more efficient by consolidating land and encouraging new farming methods. But this change wasn't just about farming better. It had big social effects. Small farmers and rural workers relied on common lands for their food and livelihood. When the land was fenced off and sold, many couldn't afford to buy or rent it. They lost their homes and jobs. With nowhere else to go, many headed to cities looking for work. During this period, factories were popping up fast as part of the Industrial Revolution. These factories needed lots of workers. So, displaced farmers became factory workers, often working long hours for low pay. Cities grew quickly, but they were crowded and often dirty, with poor sanitation. From a socialist point of view, the Enclosure Acts show how the rich landowners prioritized profits over the needs of ordinary people. The laws pushed the rural poor off the land and into cities, where they became part of the new industrial workforce. This shift helped create a large group of workers with no land or means of production, just their labor to sell. It was a key moment that set the stage for capitalism and class struggles. So, in simple terms, the Enclosure Acts made farming less accessible for small farmers, forcing many to move to cities where factories offered jobs. This process helped fuel the growth of industry, but also deepened social inequalities and worker exploitation.